Kevin, it's not that hard.
Wow. Yeah. You shitting me, Kevin? You shitting me? Mike, get the pole from up there. The long pole.
Oh my god, that's funny. Yeah.
Yeah, just float it away. You're probably gonna have to get on your knees.
Fuck.
Yeah, push it forward, yeah. Oh, God, yeah, just hit it to coral. That's what more scratches. You got this.
I put it down.
Is it gonna sing? Oh my god.
This is the funniest thing I've ever seen.
Hold this right here.
Kevin, you little...
Stop holding it, bro. I'm gonna fall. That's your first time. Yes. Stop shaking.
Alright, that's enough for now. I'm coming down there.
Don't rush me, bitch.
Oh, look at the jackass.
Dude, I can't fucking turn. I'm gonna laugh if you just... You're not even like pushing
You're...
it.
Oh my god, I'll push him away.
No, bitch, don't even touch it. Don't even touch it right now. Mike, stop. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Calm down. You paddle like a bitch. Fucking paddle. God, just like tickling the water.
Oh my god, so far I got 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Oh my god. What?
Yeah, don't just keep paddling on one side. Dumbass.
Dumbass, not one side. Use both sides.
No, I'm turning.
Oh my god, this is too funny. The smile on his face is priceless.
I want to see him do this when he's stuck. He would freak the hell out.
He's even laughing like he's stoned.
Yeah, I know. Get the ducks. What ducks? On the other dock. Oh.
Did he get enough so far?
How am I gonna get out?
Never mind. That just answered my question. Hey Kevin, say hi to the camera.
Hi. I'm so winded. I don't think he's joking.
I know. Oh fuck, it hurt. That's a sad thing. Oh fuck, I just cut myself. Yep, there it is.
If I fall,
What the fucking wood?
except for the wood.
I think I caught a splinter, I don't know. Some sharp. I don't know. One of these.
Turn next.
Yeah, fuck you.
What's up with this wood?
Oh, that's not safe.
That's probably my fault too.
Probably.
It's kind of cool.
Fuck, that really hurt. What the hell caught me? I think it was probably loose.
Faggots want me to stop.
Huh?
Tell me when you faggots want me to stop.
I think this is going on YouTube.
I mean, this is kind of like your thing.
This is when you want to stop.
When you want to stop.
Can I go under this?
Yeah. He's so
See
jealous.
how he reacts with a wave.
Yep.
As small as it is.
Oh, fuck my finger. That hurt.
Idiot.
Dumbass. This is going on YouTube.
Okay, screw that. Oh, hold up, I got this.
Should I put this on YouTube?
I don't care.
I fall.
A wave's coming, Kevin.
Oh my god, we'll crash.
He's stuck. Ah, fuck me.
You are in very shallow water.
You are an idiot.
I didn't. Yeah, get out of there.
Kevin, go to the... There you go.
Dude, I'm going ham right now. You feel me?
Go over there.
Where's over there? All the way over there?
Just leave.
Just leave us. Alright, enough of this.